Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we cut through the crypto chaos and spot the real gems. If you're in the US grinding through those post-Thanksgiving vibes on November 28th, 2025 and staring at your trading view like it's telling you secrets, yeah, this XRP USD chart is your wake-up call. We're diving into this bad boy right now. No fluff, just straight fire insights that'll have you rethinking your portfolio. Hit that like button if you're Team XRP. And subscribe for more charts that actually move the needle. Let's break it down or wait. Now we're keeping it raw and real, like chatting over Black Friday deals. Picture this, it's 10:30 a.m. EST, and XRP is chilling at $2.2155, up a cheeky 1.59% in the last 24 hours. That's after a wild ride, 24-hour high of $2.496, low dipping to $2.164. With volume exploding to 98.51 million XRP traded, or about $217.55 million in USD. Folks, that's not just noise. That's institutions and whales dipping their toes back in after the recent dip. The market cap, sitting pretty at around $133 billion, making XRP the undisputed king of cross-border payments in this bull cycle. But zoom out on this one-day candle chart from November 27th at 1 a.m. to now. Those orange and blue candlesticks are painting a story of resilience, bouncing off that $2.14 support like it's got 9 lives. Look at those EMAs, the 7-period hugging $2.2127, the 25 at $2.2075, 50 at $2.1803, 100 at $2.1947, and 200 at $2.1606. They're all stacking bullish, curving up like a rally car hitting the straightaway. Price is dancing above the pack, which screams momentum building, not some fake out, but real institutional flow, thanks to those fresh XRP ETFs like Canaries that just launched and sucked in $250 million on day one. Remember post-sec clarity earlier this year. XRP's non-security status for retail sales opened the floodgates. Banks from Chase to HSBC are piloting RippleNet, and with RLUSD stablecoin hitting $1.25 billion cap. This isn't hype, it's plumbing for the future of money transfers. Now drop your eyes to that lower panel. The MACD is crossing zero at 0.0011, with DIF at minus 0.0033, and DEA at minus 0.0022. Histogram bars are flipping green. Folks, that's divergence yelling by the dip. Volume spiking too, from 881K to 11.7 million, with those blue bars pulsing like a heartbeat. It's confirming the uptrend, not some dead cat bounce. And RSI, at 53.1045, smack in neutral territory. Oversold vibes from last week's 33% slide are fading fast. No overbought panic here, it's primed for a squeeze. But hold up, those Bollinger Bands are tightening around $2.114 to $2.118, with SAR flipping bullish, that yellow volume line underneath. It's the secret sauce. Average 5-period at 3.92 million, 10 at 4.89 million, showing steady accumulation. XRP's not just surviving, it's setting up for a breakout. We've got confidential multi-purpose tokens rolling out on XRPL in Q1 2026, and Whale Holdings up 190 million tokens this month alone. Social sentiments at extreme fear on CMC. But that's your contrarian signal. Fear is where fortunes are made, America. Real talk, this chart isn't broken. It's battle-tested. From the symmetric triangle retest in early November to now, XRP's carving out a higher low at $2.02 support. If we punch above that $2.55 resistance from November 10th, we're talking fireworks. And with 9 spot ETFs live and $622 million inflows since mid-month, the TradFi crowd is piling in. That's your retirement fund eyeing XRP as the swift killer. Price prediction, where's XRP headed next? Short-term fire and long-term moonshot. All right, crystal ball time, but grounded in data, not dreams. For the next week into early December, expect a mild pullback to test $2.19 support as profit-takers cash out post-ETF hype. But don't sleep. Technicals point to a 5 to 6% rebound by December 1st, hitting $2.28, $2.30 if volume holds. That's conservative from AI models like GPT-4o and machine learning forecasts. Short-term correction over, upward momentum locked in. By end of November, Models are lighting up with $2.65, $2.85 targets. Fueled by ETF approvals and whale buys, AMB Crypto sees an average $2.70, with highs at $2.89 if we break $2.55. CoinDCX echoes that rebound vibe, calling $2.55 on improving fundamentals. But here's the bullish bomb. If Canary's ETF keeps the inflows rolling and XRPL upgrades drop, we're eyeing $5 by year-end 2025. Yeah, you heard that. Coinpedia and Trader Patterns project $5.05 close, a 127% moonshot from here, with symmetric triangle breakouts confirming the path. Zoom out to 2026. Q1 retest at $4 support, then Q2 surge to $7, $7.50 on DeFi lending protocols. By Q4, $10 easy if adoption hits escape velocity. Long-term, motley fools calling $6 by 2030. But with Ripple's $40 billion valuation and 300-plus bank partners, $26.50 by then isn't wild. Risks. Macro dips if BTC wobbles below $85K. Or regulatory hiccups, but XRP's utility edge crushes that noise. Bottom line, patriots, this chart's your green light. XRP's not just a coin. It's the backbone of global finance. And right now, it's undervalued AF. Grab those dips, stack sats, XRPs, and let's ride this wave. Drop your predictions in the comments. $3 by Christmas or straight to $5. Smash like if you're bullish. Share with your trading crew. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out to the moon.